So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Handy Matt, and we are 2 videos away from finishing up this lathe foundation project. This video will be the second to last. The next one, that will be the last one. And thank goodness I'm getting tired of dibble-dabbling on it for half an hour here, half an hour there, and we're just gonna get it done. What I'm gonna do today is, first of all, got some packages today. That's a teaser. Waiting for one more package from Steiner up in Michigan for the tractor. That's a video that's actually 2 videos. I'm going to do some upgrades on that tractor and fix a few things before I put it back in its storage parking spot. But today we're going to put legs on here. Now I ground my welds down because they were very embarrassing, but well, it is what it is. I need some more practice, and the practice will be right over there against that wall when I build another workbench that involves some more equipment I'm going to put in here. So more teasers, yep, I know. Anyway, today we're going to put the legs on here. I'm using 3/4 inch bolts. I'm going to drill a hole first, and then I'm going to weld one bolt right about there, and then the other one will be a lock nut, and then I'll have an adjustable leg so I can level out the lathe really nicely. We're going to do that, and then we're going to flip this thing over, stick it underneath this lathe after I move my moped out of the way, and I'm going to mark some holes on the foundation and drill and tap them and get it ready to actually mount under there. And then the next video after that will be cleaning all the rust off, finishing it up, installing it, and getting it all completely done. So stick around. It won't be a long video, but it'll be an interesting video, I'm sure. If you haven't subscribed yet, sure would appreciate it. There's a join button for those of you guys that might be interested in that. It's super cheap, by the way, cheaper than Patreon. Anyway, let's get started. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I've got everything pretty much sorted out. Got the holes all marked out for mounting the lathe on the top of this thing. Got them threaded in, drilled, tapped, all that good stuff. And next video on this one will be the last one. Excuse me, I'm kind of clogged up. But anyway, the next video will be the last one to get it mounted up. That'll involve just a lot of rust removal and some painting and mounting it up and seeing how well it works with the pallet jack. Anyway, thanks for watching. Best way to support my channel, hit that share button, and if you feel so inclined, hit the join button. It's only a couple bucks a month. Sure would help a lot. Hit the like button, you know, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.